Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to make widgets smaller on Android. Here's how to make widgets smaller on Android. First, go to your Android home screen. Unlock your phone and navigate to the screen with the widget you want to resize. Find the widget you want to resize. Locate the existing widget on your home screen. Tap and hold the widget. Press and hold the widget until it becomes movable. Release the widget once resize handles appear. You'll now be in resize mode. Here, you'll see a dot or handles in the edges. Drag the edges inward. Use the resize handles to shrink the widget by dragging them closer to the center. Adjust the size as needed. Make the widget fit the space you want while keeping it usable. Let go to set the new size. Release your fingers once you're happy with the new size. Tap outside the widget to exit resize mode. This saves your changes and exits widget editing. Text the resized widget. Make sure it still functions and looks good in the new size. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.